Hi. What's your name?
Winnie.
Winnie?
Winnie.
Queenie? Where are you from?
Shanghai.
Shanghai? Wow, very far away. What are you doing here?
Sorry ra.
You're not studying here?
Second time pa ako magsulod.
Asa ka ka-eskwela?
Aksan.
Aksat? She study guys in Aksat. What grade?
First year na.
First year college. What is your course?
Business and financial management.
Okay. How old are you?
Ha?
How old are you? Ilan edad?
19.
19. You're so cute.
Thank you.
You're from Tanhai?
Yes.
How many hours from Tanhai
1 hour.
from Tanhai guys and Dumaguete is 1 hour? But you're renting boarding house in Dumaguete. Okay.
No, sana ako sa tita.
You stay in your tita. Okay. But the access, how much the tuition pay?
20 kapit.
Wow. Access. But it's nice school, right? Okay. So if you're graduating for the college, what are your plans? You're applying for a job and out of the country? No? Only in the Philippines? Okay. Last question, Penny. What do you like to advise same your age till today?
Padayon ng job sa gila.
Continue for the study. Okay. So, you come here in the Quezon Park for waiting your friend?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So cute. So, Queenie, what is your favorite? What is your hobby?
Happy?
Yeah.
Matulog.
Guys, I asked you, what is your habit? Say sleeping. Sleeping beauty. Yeah, because if you're 19 years old, you like the sleeping, right? Because hard study.
Yes.
Yeah. What is the big hard study? What kind of the subject?
Math.
Mathematics?
Yes.
But you good English.
Gamay.
Little bit. But your favorite is the English? Favorite subject? Recess? Snack? She love the snack, guys. What kind of the snack? Junk food?
Dili.
No, I don't like a junk food.
Sayat.
I mean,
Gamay.
sometimes.
Street food run.
Street food. Okay. But you alone here, why?
Kaulat pa kasama nila.
She's,
Pa siya.
she's waiting for the classmate. Okay.
Dapat
Valencia.
Balance.
Yeah. Are you been in Valencia?
Nakatulit to it. Ikaduwar.
Diba?
Ito sana pa.
Every Sunday. She asking me guys where I live. I said in Valencia. I open in Valencia. Valencia is very nice guys. Every Sunday. All the food. If you like, you can eat there. Not really expensive. Yeah. Where in Valencia you been there? Asa nga Valencia?
Ito sana pa. Simple man ito siya.
Forest Camp?
Dili sa
Ceros?
Ocean 24.
Different place. Ocean 24 because Valencia is so place and the proper and your told me is Ocean 24 is going to the mountain.
Pero asa sa dito sa yung plaza.
At Lasa? When?
Bigyan naman po.
Every Sunday day. I tell guys Night is going there and every Sunday. Because every Sunday it's a lot the food. If you love the lechon. Yes.
Ito na panlit.
Wow. Guys, you love the lechon. Skin. Right? Okay. So, what is your favorite hobby? I mean, what is your talent?
Banat.
Huh?
Kung tayo bukanta, tayo.
Wow.
Business mood.
You know how to sing?
Gamay.
Wow.
Sayabag lang.
Because you know in the Philippines have a talent, right? Yes. I think you go what's your favorite thing? English, Filipino,
Naranak. Depende ra.
both. So guys, you like the English, you like the Filipino. Hey, do you apply for someday for join for the artist? Because you look the artist. You look like Kim Cho. Yeah. Yeah.
Si ba tayo si Popo?
Ay, kagwapa ni mo, oy. Do you have a blood for Chinese, like? You have a blood Chinese? But you look,
Filipino.
you're Filipino. But you look like Chinese. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I meet for Queenie here in Quezon Park because I've been in the forgive the candle in the church. Yeah, yeah. What is your religion?
Catholic.
Catholic? Same. Same, guys. She's a Catholic. You know, in Catholic is my religion, right? So every Sunday you go to the church.
Tayo.
Oh, sometimes. If you don't have a really busy. Okay. Thank you, Queenie. Nice to meet you. So you're waiting your friend here?
Yes.
How many friends you're waiting here? Two? Wow. After here,
Yes.
that. So guys, Queenie told me the mother in the abroad in Saudi. Wow. How old you that time?
Natuman tayo. Seven pa good po.
Like how old that time? Your mother is going to the abroad. Like 7 or 10?
Mga 11 ako.
11 years old. Oh. And how old your mom?
40 kape.
40. Like how? 40.
49 na to.
40 na.
48.
Okay. And how many do you have the siblings?
4.
4. And you're the eldest. Oh, okay. But you other sibling, do you have a work? Ikaw
Nanay
like,
mga
nanay mga trabaho? Okay.
Yan.
So hard no because your mother is in the Saudi, very far away. But when your last time you met your mother, visit her in the Philippines?
May. May.
This year? Oh, okay. And then, what are you feel? Your mom is far away with you in the Saudi Arabia.
Pero okay na.
Sad?
Kaya na naman. Para matag na.
Oh, okay. Because your abroad your mother because she like will give your good the future. Yeah, because if you're graduating for your college, your mom is up for a job. Wow. It's very nice, Queenie. I think your mom is so very beautiful.
Yes.
Where you look alike, your mom or your father?
I think my father.
Your father? Ah, okay. Thank you, Queenie, for your sharing her life. And she's waiting for the friend, guys. After here, you go to the school? Ah, okay. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Everyone, I'm here in Bacong Mercury, guys. Because in Dumaguete is crowded. So here in the Bacong, not really crowded, guys. There's in the front is of the mall. Asa day? May halas? Dako?
Ako kayo yun.
Hey! Oh my goodness! Hey! Oh my goodness! Oh! Guys, the people look the snake. Oh my god! Dako! Guys, after in Dumaguete, I stop here in Valencia for buying the grocery. It's very cheaper here, guys. Front of public market. I saw the market. Let's go. And grocery. Buy the we're in Ground Zero, guys. I would like to show you. Let's go. Ground Zero, guys. Ground Zero in restaurant. And it's like here's big place. There's sign. And they have second floor. So see other guy. Famous bakery in Valencia, guys. So let's go. Let's go the inside, guys. So let's snack. Hello. And we have Crescent Burr, Victoria Burr. Look at that.